Sorry guys for that. So if you watched my video, you would have heard that about the family. So I actually switched out the baby because I kind of threw it off the roof at the hotel place. Accidentally, not on purposely. But yeah, so I won't be having that anymore. So bye. Baby. Babe, are you okay? Sorry, I'm so sorry, babe. But I literally had the best dream ever, and I was in the swimming pool. Wish I was real life. But I wonder why I'm wet. Because you were snoring and drooling at the same time, you stupid old. Whatever. Well, we are going swimming today, and I don't think you need to take a shower because of chlorine. So. Why is our alarm going off? I left that little bagel thing in the oven last night. I'll just take it out. Hold on. Let me just. That's gross. But we don't need to take a shower because we're going swimming and the chlorine and stuff like that. Let's go. You wake up, read, and I'll wake up. You wake up, read, and I'll wake up Maisie. Yeah. Read. Come on. We're swimming. Oh, sorry, Dad. Take this off. Blanket, get off of me. Hold on, I need to go take this blanket off. What the hell for me? Well, Mom, I know you have a magic bathing suit. Ask me, can you please wear it so I don't have to be the only one wearing the dolphin swimsuit? Those are whales, but okay. I'll match with Maisie, I guess. Then we have those lemon colored ones. I don't know. Who's gonna match with your mom, babe? I don't know. You guys are kind of messing with me. She has these polka dots one. So yeah, let's go get changed. Let me wake up Maisie first. Hi, Maisie. Daisy. Okay, I'm gonna get you ready. You're gonna match with me today. We need to find you a better girl swimsuit. Since you're talking about Maisie, like always. Over there. Boy, you better watch that mouth. The heck? Sorry, Mom. You and your sister sit on this right here. Make sure we don't forget. Here, you guys make some breakfast. Make the eggs. Something simple and quick. How to make eggs. So this Mom said make eggs. Oh, okay. I don't want this to burn. Gonna grab. Sit down, Maisie. Sit right here. Sit right there. Okay. I'm gonna get you your eggs. And then I put this pan. I don't think it's dirty because it literally was in there for like 2 seconds. Okay, let's watch most Metro. Yeah, the Tales of Metro. I think that's what it's called. Okay. You and no, I don't know what it is. You and Maisie are matching with your swimsuit, and I'm matching with Reed. We need to get the dogs here for Alpha Belly. I call her. No, I'm calling her for the last time. Hi, Angela. I need you to come over to Dog Sit Maisie, cause guys, be quiet. I'm trying to do something. I need you to come over to Dog Sit Maisie, cause we're heading out with the kids. Gonna want to go to the beach. So we're gonna be there for like a couple hours. It's not that long. His food is in his basket. There's some toys in there, and yeah, that's it. Bye. This is Angela. Hi, Angela. Hi, Mrs. Yvette. How long am I watching her again? About an hour or two. Because we're also having a picnic. I gotta pack the stuff in a little bag. But yeah, an hour or two. Okay, I love staying with what's your dog's name again? You forgot our dog's name. I haven't been here in a while, okay? It's not my fault. You forgot Misty's name. It's literally the easiest name. Okay, whatever. I'm not gonna tell the angle on you. So yeah, you're 2 to 3 hours. Food up there. There's a TV. I don't think you're gonna see in here, but there's a TV. So you can't go in my room. That's the only place you can't go, in my room. But you can go anywhere else. You can go in the kids' room, basically Misty's room, the kitchen, and the bathroom. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, so you can, our Wi-Fi password is so yeah, that's our Wi-Fi password. So you can just go in there and you'll be connected to the Wi-Fi, and our TV remote's up there. And yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you. Amazing, your glasses. Oh, and actually, never mind. Okay. Maisie, you bringing that hat? Yeah, I like this hat. Okay. We take that off for you because we're going in the water. You don't want to wet it. The past fire. You gotta get your. Okay. We got this backpack, all the stuff we need. Babe, she needs her water bottle, her water, you gotta pacify it. And a chain. No, we don't need a chain. Do we need a change of clothes? I don't think we need a change of clothes. But, Mommy, can I be my mermaid costume? Can she? I don't think. Sure, we'll bring her mermaid costume. Okay. I'll pack mine. So, mermaid costume. Gonna have some mermaid costume too. So she'll just spend that with her. We got that. Do we need to stay close? No. Okay. We're gonna do this. Reed, can you grab Maisie's water bottle, and then grab yours on top right there. Grab yours on top after. Okay. Hi, Angela. Hi, Reed. You got so big. Thank you, I guess. Why am I just staying here without the TV? I'll just turn this on. Let's see about. Yeah, this should be good. Okay. Grab your water bottle. Okay. We need to grab sunscreen. Go grab that in the bathroom. Sunscreen. I think Mom's so extra sometimes. I don't need sunscreen, but whatever. I need to make sure I look like LeBron James. Because guess what? I'm handsome. And I'm only 10 years old. And all the girls in 4th grade are after me. There's nothing I can tell. What'd you just say? Nothing. I just said, but why do you have this for, Mama, did you bring that thing? It's a fly swatter. No, it's not. It's a ladybug catcher. We won't find any ladybugs at the beach. But we'll find some fireflies. Oh, yeah. We'll find fireflies. But we can just grab them with our hands. Okay, whatever. I think that's all we need. Let's go pick up your grandma. Let's see if she's ready. I doubt it. Angela, we're heading out now, so we'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you in a couple hours. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go eat something because I'm hungry. That's tasting really good. I'll just sit here and wait for them to come. See the news. Oh, they're calling me. Hi, Mom. We're outside. We're about. I'm about to come in and. We're about to come in and get you. So, do you have your mermaid fin costume? Yes. We're just gonna bring that with us, cause Maisie wants us to bring that. So, just the girls, not the boys. Okay. Bye. Bye. I just wait for them. Because I have a bunch of stairs coming up my house. They won't be here for another 15 minutes. Knock on the door. Hi, Mom. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, my babies. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Well, come on, let's head up before the beach thing closes. Mom, I thought you said cousin was joining us. Yeah, he's right over there. May. Hi, guys. Hi, May. Hi. Hi, May. Hi, May. Come on, let's get it. This water is cold. Really, it is. I brought some bubbles and just dropped them with the flood. I'll just put them on. Oh, they can. No, they can't. She has a floaty, she can fuck. Okay, no, I'm gonna go. They left us. I know. You and May don't go any farther. You and May don't go any farther. There's dangerous stuff in the water. Okay? They have those little caution thingies. Okay? Don't go any farther than the red cones. Okay? This water feels good. Okay, we're gonna go look at the animals. Whoa, look at that crab. I know. Well, I kind of want to go farther than the red cones. That's what I was thinking. Come on. Okay. Hey, aren't you the kid that goes to my sister's school? Yeah, what do you gotta say about it? fool, Lion. Why you? Okay. What the? Oh, literally Ryan down here. Look at the fishes. They can blink. Call your mom. Call your mom. Okay. Come on, Mom. Mom. What happened? May, he didn't go any farther than the red cones. And we didn't go any farther than the red cones, so I'm just telling you that. Okay, then what happened? May is getting attacked by sharks. Sharks! Come on, let's go. Excuse me, sir. Do you have like a phone or something? Yeah, I have one right up here. Thank you. Come on, let's go. We'll just hold it. Hey, come here. How does this happen? Get off of him. What the heck? Wait, why are you down here? Ow. My arm. Okay, get in the boat. Come on. Let's go. Mom, keep it kind of like here. Of course. Well, you can't fit in here. Come on, let's go, man. Okay. Get up. Oh, gosh. How did you do this? Why did you go? Let me see. Okay, it's fine. They just scratched you with their nostrils. With their teeth. Okay. I'm gonna try something to safety cams. Yeah, I'm gonna check up there. No, don't. We do have a towel. Look. Thank you. Can I be sick too? Yeah. I'll pay in a sec. Okay. What? Can I restain this floaty? Okay. Can you try it again? Does this be cold? It's cold right there. Okay, good. So just swim. Yeah, we'll play Mark Polo. So bad for him. I know, but it's not that deep. Come on, let's go to my maid or something. So Daddy's not they don't really tell us. Oh, it's really nighttime. It's a picnic. Oh, sorry, butt guy. Oh. It's one picnic. It's really tiny. Wow, it's really good. Misty or something. Lazy. My God. This is lazy. How do I get these two confused? Bubble blower. And then in Fortnite, I don't really do that. And then there's this other kid on Discord. It was like, oh my god, how did you do that? And I was actually inspired. I don't know how I did that. I don't know about Fortnite. What's happening now? Let's go sit here. And then they can see okay, it's really past my bedtime. I really got my head harmed. Yeah, I gotta go. Okay, Mom, I'm ready. Guys, you guys say hi to me or anything? Hi, sis. It's in the world. I know. Bye guys. Yeah, bye. We'll see you next. We'll see you in a couple of weeks because we have that little fancy thing on television. Bye. Yeah, I'm really tired. Yeah, Lazy has me hard now. Not all day. I bet you I'm gonna sleep in class. You know what I see, I have my bedtime. My mom needs a bedtime. And it's at 6. It's like 8. Daddy! I'm gonna fall asleep in the car. Daddy! Daddy! Whoa. Are those fireflies? Yeah, I saw Daddy in the jaw. Let's head out. Here's the camera. You don't want this basket. You can have it for your bathing suit. Just pack all this stuff. I'm gonna pay this guy for it.